Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Guys, today I'm going to tell you very important strategy technique when it comes to cracking para jumbles. So when it comes to cracking para jumbles, guys, most of the times, students have difficulty ki ma'am, how should the flow be? How should the arrangement be? What should the opening sentence be like? How do we know that okay, we have to start with this statement? Why can't it be that statement? These are very common queries that come out and ask. The reason is, guys, you do not understand the paragraph flows or the paragraph structures carefully. This is very important to understand because, see, every paragraph which comes in a question, whether it's CAT exam, whether it's any other exam, guys, it will follow a definite structure or a definite flow. What are those definite structures? What are those definite flows? You will tell me, ma'am, that could be there could be hundreds of paragraph flows, there could be hundreds of paragraph structures. Every writer could have a different paragraph flow and a paragraph structure. I'll say yes, okay, fine. But for the purpose of simplifying this area for us, we can categorize it into four important paragraph flows or four important paragraph structures. If you understand these four important paragraph flows and paragraph structures, guys, your job, your work in para jumbles will become a lot easier. You will be able to understand the mindset of the writer, get into the question and understand, okay, this has to be my opening sentence because this is a general essay type passage. This is a personal essay type of passage, so this has to be my opener and this is how the statements should flow after that. So paragraph flows are very important for selection of opening sentence and also for the formation of subsets. So today, guys, I'm going to take you through the four most important paragraph flows and paragraph structures. In addition to this, guys, let me remind all of you that daily I'm meeting you live at 8 p.m. VA channel for your entire preparation of VRC section. And not just that, guys, you have a lot of trainers and mentors on this channel who will be training you through all areas of preparation for your management exams, be it quantitative aptitude, be it logical reasoning, be it data interpretation, be it verbal, be it RC, be it written ability test, group discussions, personal interviews, everything. But for this, you will have to join us live every day. Okay, Cat for MBA channel, and I'll be meeting you at 8 p.m. every day. So today's agenda, guys, these are the four important paragraph flows or paragraph structures that I'll be taking you through. General essay type, personal essay type, comparative type, narrative type. Once you get a passage, guys, after reading all the statements carefully once, अगर आप सोच लोगे कि अच्छा ये general essay type है, done. Your order will flow in very smoothly. ये personal essay type है, तो मुझे इस बात का यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. ये comparative type है, so this is how the paragraph should flow. So these categorizations, these understandings are very important, very crucial session, guys. Do follow it completely. So join us, guys, on YouTube daily. Unacademy Cat for MBA. Join the Telegram group. Very important. Daily I'm putting articles for you which you can read. आप हमें आपका reading ability enhance करना है, guys. Reading habit आप में आनी चाहिए. Daily, guys, there's something called as a reading corner where I'm putting articles for you, questions for you, be it RC passages, be it para jumbles, and all the other areas. So all the educators will pitch in, and you have to subscribe to the channel. You have to subscribe to the Telegram group because आपको पूरी की पूरी learning करनी है, एकदम अच्छे से करनी है. तो come on, guys, use these resources. Okay, right. इसके साथ साथ द मदर ऑफ ऑल प्रेपरेशन इज अनअकैडमी प्लस. क्यों? क्योंकि गाइस आपको डेली लाइव क्लासेस मिलते हैं, आपको मॉक टेस्ट मिलते हैं, क्विजेस मिलते हैं, आपको पूरा का पूरा जितना भी आपका सब्जेक्ट का प्रिपरेशन है वो होता है. सारे एजुकेटर्स इंडिया वाइड, जो बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स हु आर टीचिंग इन मैनेजमेंट एग्जाम्स प्लेटफॉर्म, दे ऑल विल मीट यू एंड दे ऑल विल शेयर देयर इनपुट्स विथ यू. But for this, you will have to use the code, guys, Ritu MBA, जिससे आपको 10% ऑफ मिलेगा. और आपको ये ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा, गाइस, कि एक टाइम सब्सक्रिप्शन में आप सिर्फ वीआरसी की प्रिपरेशन नहीं करोगे, आप कैट के जितने भी एरियाज हैं उन सबकी प्रिपरेशन करोगे, कैट और बाकी सारे मैनेजमेंट एग्जाम्स की. तो कोड यूज करना मत भूलना, गाइस, Ritu MBA, क्योंकि वो 10% ऑफ आपको बहुत बेनिफिट्स लेकर आने वाला है. So use the code and subscribe to Unacademy Plus. Okay. So आपके पास 3 resources है Unacademy के अब. Unacademy Plus, where you can put your knowledge to test, basic से advanced, enroll for all the courses. आपका कैट फॉर एमबीए का डेली चैनल जहां पे हम डेली प्रैक्टिस करेंगे गाइस, and the telegram group. So join all of this guys and come on, let's crack it. Let's crack cat 2020. That's our mission. ठीक है? तो come on guys, let's start with the different paragraph flows. तो आप देख सकते हो कि मैं आपको एक एक करके I will take you through each paragraph flow and explain it in detail. First one, general essay type. Now what is a general essay type and why is this important? First of all guys, 70 to 80% of the questions which come in your CAT exam, mark my words, 70 to 80% of the questions which come in your CAT exam are of the general essay type. तो ये पकड़ना बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है. Writer, जब एक where are these passages sourced from? They are taken from articles, they are taken from newspapers, they are taken from magazines. If I am a writer and I have to write an essay on this topic, how would I generally write it? How would the flow be? So let's see. General essay type याद रखने के लिए मैंने आपको एक डायग्रामेटिक यहाँ पे representation दिया है guys, inverted triangle. ये आप याद रख लेना, ये याद रखना और ये पिक्चर से आपको समझ में और बेटर आएगा. Remember, it is an inverted triangle. Inverted triangle का मतलब क्या है? We start with the broadest statement. जो हमारा opening sentence होता है, जो हमारा opening sentence या जो हमारा topical sentence होता है, वो सबसे broad होगा. Now when I say broad, students समझ लेते हैं lengthy. नहीं, broad का मतलब ये नहीं कि जो सबसे lengthy statement है, not the lengthiest statement guys. Broadest statement means the statement which is broadest in terms of context, जो contextually broad है. अब I always tell you guys what is context. Context refers to place and time. Remember these 2 points. Context, what is context? Context is nothing but place and time. For example, there is one sentence which is talking about the world. Let's say it's talking about the impact of global warming on the world. There's another statement which is talking about the impact of global warming on India. Which is contextually broader, world or India? World. So world will come first and then will come India. Point to be noted. Okay, so pehle contextually broad statement aayega. For example, one statement is about the last millennium, last 1,000 years. The other one is about the last century, 100 years. Next one is about the last decade, 10 years. देखो कैसे we are going from broad to specific, कैसे inverted triangle बैठ रहा है. Start with the millennium, then you come to the century, then you come to the decade. It is very important to catch these points, guys. जो आपका topical sentence होता है, which sets the tone for the rest of the passage. Every other statement from the passage will follow that, will talk about that, will add to that. That will be your opening sentence. The broadest statement contextually, the most general statement. Okay. Out of all the management problems out there, we are going to be discussing the problem. Suppose एक passage बोलता है there are various management problems or various management issues which need to be addressed. एक next statement या एक और statement paragraph में बोल रहा है कि okay, leadership के problem. So the main management problem is the problem of leadership. So first you put their various management problems and then you say, okay, the problem of leadership. So broad, then specific. Okay. So आप general statement ले आते हो, फिर explanation दो, details दो, examples दो, और last में जो है आपका conclusion आएगा on a specific note. So this is general essay type. तो जब भी आप passages पढ़ते हो, जब भी आप statements को ध्यान से analyze करते हो, तब आप देखना पड़ेगा आपको, आप अटक गए हो, मैम ओपनिंग सेंटेंस क्या होगा, मैम मुझे ए भी ओपनिंग सेंटेंस लग रहा है, मुझे बी भी ओपनिंग सेंटेंस लग रहा है, क्या करूं मैं. देखो कौन सा ब्रॉडर है, कौन सा जनरल है, कौन सा टॉपिकल है, विच इज सेटिंग द टोन फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द पैसेज, विच इज कैची, which will intrigue the readers to read the passage. That will be our opening. Okay, now let me give you an example to put this into perspective, put this better into perspective. ये देखो, recession की बात चल रही है. The first statement talks about global recession. Then you talk about the impact on India. Globe के बाद, the context is globe, फिर the context becomes India. Broad to narrow, macro to micro, general to specific. And then you talk about the automobile sector. पहले आप सारे sectors के बारे में general impact बता दो, फिर you say, okay, but the sector that's suffering the most is the automobile sector. Okay, makes sense guys. खुद के examples भी सोचो, that always helps. But remember, inverted triangle, macro to micro, general to specific, broad to narrow. ओके, सो दिस इज अ थियोरी सेशन गाइस. इस पे जब हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तब आपको ये सब याद रखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो 70 to 80% ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर ऑफ दिस टाइप. जनरल स्टेटमेंट्स हम बिगिन करते हैं. वो स्टेटमेंट्स डेफिनेशंस भी हो सकते हैं, दे कैन बी मीनिंग्स आल्सो, बिकॉज व्हेन वी हैव ऑल रिटन एसेज इन स्कूल, we've always started with definitions, we've always started with meanings, right? So it's not rocket science guys, that's what I say. आप पैराग्राफ हमेशा लिखते आए हो, we've all written essays. वैसे ही आपको एक ऐसे दे दिया गया, if you were the writer, how would you write it? you know a very general flow. So that is general essay type. Okay, right. Let's come to the next type guys, personal essay type. Now what is personal essay type? ये जो है थोड़ा सा rare category है guys. I can say around maybe 10 to 20% of the questions may be this type. It's a little rare in the CAT exam especially, but it's equally it's important. We can never say, CAT is always unpredictable. ये हमने कई एग्जाम्स के थ्रू देखा है. कभी भी एनी ऑड बॉल, एनी ऑड कर्व कैन कम योर वे. सो पर्सनल ऐसे टाइप में क्या होता है, दिस इज अ सीधा ट्राइंगल. जनरल ऐसे टाइप इन्वर्टेड ट्राइंगल था, ये सीधा ट्राइंगल है. It starts with a specific issue and then you go broad. Now, what does this mean? Okay, suppose you start with a personal issue. Let's say आपने अभी अभी एक ट्रेन जर्नी की. Okay, so you say recently on a train journey from Delhi to Bhopal, कुछ भी, you start with a personal example, you start with a personal anecdote, you start with a personal experience or an issue. So you say that, okay, recently on a train journey, आपने undertake की थी train journey Delhi to Bhopal. You found that the people who were, in the adjacent berths or on the berths above and below, very friendly और एकदम एक homely environment बन गया था. It was a very enjoyable train journey. You will always remember it. The family sitting in front of you was very very friendly. तो आप एक पर्सनल इश्यू से स्टार्ट करते हैं, फिर आप आते हो जनरल नोट पे, फिर आप बोलते हो दिस इज नॉट जस्ट द केस ऑन दिस ट्रेन जर्नी, but I've seen that when you take train journeys in India, it become, the environment is so friendly and the environment is so pleasing और एकदम माहौल एकदम अच्छा बन जाता है. So this is not just the case of this. This is not the unique train journey where I had this experience. I've had this experience on all the train journeys that I've taken since childhood. So you go from specific to narrow, and then you give a general statement about the kind of culture that India has. Very neighborly, very friendly, a very good Samaritan culture. तो आपने एक पर्सनल इश्यू से स्टार्ट किया अपने एक्सपीरियंस को कोट करके, एंड देन यू बिकेम जनरल. You say, okay, recently I visited a national monument. ठीक है, आप बोलते हो ठीक है, recently I went to visit the Taj Mahal. और मैंने देखा कि जो कंडीशन है वो थोड़ी अच्छी नहीं है. ताजमहल थोड़ा डिटीरियोरेट हो रहा है, येलोइश बन रहा है and all of that. So you say this is not just the condition of Taj Mahal, but this is the situation of most of the monuments across India, that they are being neglected. तो आपने स्टार्ट किया एक पर्सनल इश्यू से, डिस्क्राइब किया अपना एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ गोइंग टू द ताजमहल, and then you have become specific, then you have become general कि this is not just the case with Taj Mahal, but it is the case with various other national monuments in India. और फिर आप बोल सकते हो ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट को ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, ऐसे ध्यान देना चाहिए. यू कैन गिव योर इनपुट्स. So start with a personal issue, then highlight its social relevance or significance. Okay, recently I visited Goa, the beaches of Goa, and I found that there was a poor management of local beaches. Plastic was thrown around here and there, vagera vagera. So then you say, okay, there's also a problem of safety or a problem of safety. आप बोल सकते हो marine animals के लिए impact कर रहा है, erode कर रहा है वहाँ का natural beauty को. There is a problem, and then you say this is not just the condition of the beaches of Goa, but all across India, and there's a need for action. So आप पर्सनल से जनरल जा रहे हो. ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस गाइस? रेयर. नाउ हाउ डू यू गेट टू नो कि मैम ये पर्सनल ऐसे टाइप हम लोग कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? जनरली जो है ऑथर जो है अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेगा. आई, मी, वी, रिसेंटली, ऑफ लेट. आप कोई एनेक्डोट शेयर करोगे, आप कोई अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करोगे, अपना पर्सनल इशू. यू विल recently I ordered something online and a faulty product was delivered. You start with a personal issue, then you say this is not the first time which has happened, or this not just happened with me, this has been happening with almost everyone. So आप ऐसे पर्सनल से स्पेसिफिक जनरल जाओगे. ओके, सो मेन केस ओवर हियर हमको ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि पर्सनल इश्यू कहीं मेंशन्ड है, कोई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया गया है, फ्रॉम पर्सनल या गोइंग जनरल. ओके, क्लियर गाइस? रेयर है बट we never know, so we have to be prepared. Okay, the next one, guys, is the comparative essay type. So if you get this in the CAT exam, I'm sure a big smile will come on your face because it's an easy type. But there might be some problems which might also wipe off that smile on your face. तो वो problems नहीं होनी चाहिए, इसीलिए एक बार इस method को समझना ठीक से बहुत जरूरी है. Now, if I ask you to compare, guys, चलो मैं आपको बोलती हूँ compare any two models of cars. तो आप पहले क्या करोगे? पहले आप मुझसे पूछोगे कौन से मॉडल्स लूं, करेक्ट? So first you will write what is being compared. Okay, you're going to compare a BMW, let's say, with an Audi. ठीक है, तो पहले आप बताओगे what is being compared. So I'm going to compare a BMW with an Audi. फिर आप बताओगे relative merits and demerits. Okay, this gives you better mileage. Cost wise, this is more, this is better. Technology wise, this is better. Comfort wise, this is better. Style wise, this is better. So on and so forth. You keep going through the relative merits and demerits. Finally, आप क्या बताओगे? Which is better. Correct. So this is the general way. This is the way in which we all write. तो इतना कोई बहुत रॉकेट साइंस वाली बात तो हुई नहीं यहाँ पे. दिस इज समथिंग विच इज इजी. जस्ट हैव टू गेट इनटू द थॉट फ्लो. बट हाँ, एक जो प्रॉब्लम आती है यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को कि सपोज मैम, फर्स्ट तो हमने बता दिया ओके वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर बीएमडब्ल्यू एंड वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर बीएमडब्ल्यू वर्सेस ऑडी. एक फीचर है, एक सेंटेंस है विच इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेरिट्स ऑफ बीएमडब्ल्यू, एक सेंटेंस है विच इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेरिट्स ऑफ ऑडी. हम दोनों इक्वली लगते हैं कि ठीक है सेकंड आ सकते हैं. हाउ डू वी डिसाइड बिटवीन दीज टू व्हाट विल बी द ऑर्डर? Then I tell them, guys, always remember the introduction sets the tone for the rest of the passage. So अगर introduction में BMW पहले mentioned है, तो you talk about BMW first. If Audi is mentioned first, you talk about Audi first. This is very important to note. According to the order in the opening sentence. This is important to note. Okay, for example, the passage is about traditional farming versus organic farming. When you're listing the relative features or merits and demerits, the author will target it according to the order in the opening sentence. अगर आपने traditional farming पहले mention किया, you'll talk about traditional farming first in your body. Organic farming पहले mention किया होता, तो we would have spoken about organic farming in the body. So this is very important. So this is a point to be noted. Okay. And then the judgment will come, which is better. Obviously, logically, judgment pehle to nahi aayega, judgment last mein aayega. So these are the points which are very important to remember. And that is why, guys, also start categorizing. जब भी आप एक sentence, I always tell my students, जब भी आप lines पढ़ते हो, जब भी आप options पढ़ते हो, start categorizing. ये problem है, अच्छा, ये positive है, ये negative है, ये सोल्यूशन है, ये कॉज है, ये इफेक्ट है. व्हाई इज इट इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू दिस? दिस विल हेल्प यू टू अरेंज इट इन द राइट ऑर्डर. सोल्यूशन तो लास्ट में आएगा, सोल्यूशन लास्ट में आ जाएगा. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव इनको कैसे लिंक करना है, इसके लिए कैटेगराइजेशन बहुत जरूरी है. तो सेंटेंस वाइज कैटेगराइजेशन भी जरूरी है, पूरे पैराग्राफ का भी आपको कैटेगराइजेशन करना जरूरी है. ठीक है यार, ये जनरल ऐसे टाइप लग रहा है, ये पर्सनल ऐसे टाइप लग रहा है, ये कंपेरेटिव टाइप लग रहा है, ये नरेटिव टाइप लग रहा है. That categorization is important. We'll put this into practice, guys, in the subsequent sessions, but always better to know the concepts first so that when we apply, it'll be seamless. Okay, right. Now let's come to the last type, guys, narrative type. Again, my favorite type, story. Narration matlab story. Events दिए गए हैं. You arrange the event in the logical sequence या chronological order. Chronological order matlab time sequence, past, present, future, according to the time. Especially this works out in the case of historical passages, जब dates दिए गए होते हैं. But see, guys, there are always going to be exceptions. We have to be prepared for the exceptions as well, which I will show you. मैं आपके लिए एक सेशन लाऊंगी where we go through all unconventional para jumbles, all exceptions to the rules. तो ताकि आपको सारे एरियाज का प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. बट जनरली वी फॉलो द क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर, पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर सीक्वेंस या लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस लो. अब ये लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस क्या है? देखो गाइस, आई टोल्ड यू टू कैटेगराइज द स्टेटमेंट्स. आपने एक स्टेटमेंट कैटेगराइज किया प्रॉब्लम, दूसरा स्टेटमेंट को कैटेगराइज किया सोल्यूशन. लॉजिकली प्रॉब्लम देन सोल्यूशन, कॉज देन इफेक्ट, Pandemic, shortage of beds in hospitals, cause, then effect, question, then answer, statement, then explanation. Very important things to note. Data, then inference, data, then conclusion, story, then moral. All of these points are necessary and for which you have to categorize. तो जब भी आप पढ़ते हो मैं आपको प्रैक्टिस कराऊंगी तब आप देखोगे कि मैम कैसे कैटेगराइज करते जा रहे. आई ऑलवेज कैटेगराइज पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, न्यूट्रल, ईच स्टेटमेंट. Problem, solution, cause, effect, question. If there's a question, I'll have to search for its answer. This is how you build subsets. So these logical sequences or these logical connectors are also very important. Problem, solution, cause, effect, question, answer, statement, explanation, data, inference, data, conclusion. एक डेटा दिया जाता है, रिसर्च स्टडी दी जाती है, उसका रिजल्ट क्या है, उसका कंक्लूजन क्या है, उसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है. So all of these logical connectors or logical sequences are very important or very crucial to do. Okay, good guys. चलो, so we'll be putting all of this into practice. पर आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा, रिविजन करा दूं मैं आप सबका. Guys, general essay type, inverted triangle. Personal, general to specific. Personal essay type, specific to general, सीधा triangle. Comparative type, opening sentence sets the tone. ठीक है. और जो आपका नरेटिव टाइप है, स्टोरी टाइप है, डेट्स दिए तो क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर लो, वरना लॉजिकल कनेक्टर्स बना के सबसेट्स फॉर्म करो. Lots more strategies coming your way guys, lots of areas are there. आप ये मत समझो वर्बल एबिलिटी में सिर्फ अच्छा मैं अगर मैं शुरू से नॉवल नहीं पढ़ता आ रहा हूँ तो ये नहीं होगा. नहीं, you do not have to be a bookworm from before to crack VRC section. It's a level playing field. Trust me, those students who have not had an English background, जिन्होंने क्लास 12 तक कभी इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ी थी अपने स्कूल में, इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल्स में पढ़े नहीं, those students of mine have also got 99 percentile CAT ZAT में. So very important to understand this guys कि it's a level playing field, but हाँ आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी, प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना पड़ेगा, डेली हमको मीट करना पड़ेगा. So download the app guys, Unacademy learning app. Go on plus course because that's what you want to enroll. CAT पे जाओ, that's our goal. Click on get subscription. आप एक बार get subscription click करोगे, अपना plan select करो. Think about the plans guys, 12 months, 24 months. पर आई वुड ऑलवेज सजेस्ट 12 मंथ्स डेफिनेटली या 24 मंथ्स. क्यों? क्योंकि कैट का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है अगले मई, कैट का जो आपका फाइनल सिलेक्शन जो है वो अगले मई में जाके होता है. तब तक आपको पूरा सपोर्ट चाहिए, जुलाई से लेके मई जून तक पूरा सपोर्ट चाहिए. इसमें जीडी, रिटन एबिलिटी टेस्ट, स्ट्रैटेजी सेशंस, एनमैट, जी मैट के भी स्ट्रैटेजी सेशंस आपको चाहिए. तो फिर आपका जैट आएगा जनवरी में. ऑल ऑफ दिस विल बी कवर्ड वन टाइम सब्सक्रिप्शन में, सारे एरियाज. सो यूज द कोड रितु MBA, क्लिक ऑन अप्लाई एंड देन वंस यू यूज दिस रितु MBA कोड गाइज, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आपको 10% ऑफ मिलता है और बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं. So share it with your friends, share it with all the other plus aspirants, share it with all the other MBA aspirants guys. इस सिचुएशन में आपको इससे बेटर लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म और कोई नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, so take my word for it, subscribe, and let's continue learning, guys. There are lots of popular courses. Choose the best fit for you. Tell your friends and siblings about it. But yes, very important to meet every day live at 8 p.m. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Join the Telegram group. Lots of information, lots of questions coming your way. So immediately download karo Telegram, join karo group, and let's crack it, guys. CAT 2020, let's accomplish the mission. Okay? See you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.